Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini brownies, easy method. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and grate one medium zucchini finely, then squeeze excess water with a towel. Combine melted chocolate and oil, stir in sugar and eggs until smooth, fold in flour and cocoa gently, and mix in zucchini last. Pour into a prepared pan, bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, then cool before slicing and serving. Gather your ingredients on the counter so everything is ready and measured, which makes baking relaxed and efficient. Using 1 cup grated zucchini keeps moisture balanced without thinning batter, while 1/2 cup oil and 2 eggs create a tender crumb. Sift cocoa and flour together to avoid lumps and measure sugar carefully to control sweetness. When mixing, fold gently to keep brownies fudgy rather than cakey. Watch the oven closely in the last 5 minutes to prevent drying out, and rotate the pan halfway through baking for even browning. Use a toothpick to test doneness. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter, for that perfect fudgy center. Allow the brownies to cool fully so they set and slice neatly, and store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them soft for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.